guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it if you would be a part of my YouTube family here on my channel. Thank you so much. Well, I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope that you're not letting the day get you down. And just, of course, some encouragement for you guys before we get into the video. I hope you guys are having the day and not allowing the day to have you. As the day progresses, there are different trials that may come your way, and are you being victorious? Are you being triumphant? Are you coming out of them in that way? And just remember, life is beautiful. There's always something to enjoy and just to reflect on the blessings that you have in your life, and to not allow your mind to allow you to stay in a depressant state. So I encourage you guys to dwell on positivity. Do not dwell on negativity. Dwell on the things that are going to encourage you, help you, inspire you. Give yourself self affirmations. That's one of the things that you can do to start your day off with. Always just reassure yourself that you can do this. You're encouraged. Encouragement is definitely something that's really important. And just allow yourself to be immersed in positivity, because that is definitely something that can help you throughout the progression of your day. So yeah. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and jump into the video. I actually received a request in my last video from a lovely commenter, and they had requested if I could do a video of how to apply perfume, or how I apply my perfumes. And I was like, sure, why not? So the people have spoken, why not give them what they want, right? So when I read that, I was like, of course I can. Certainly. So here I am. I am doing a video on how I apply my perfumes. I have plenty of perfume videos up on my channel right about now, so why not? Why not? So here I am. I'm here to show you guys how I apply my fragrances. I wouldn't say that I'm too heavy-handed with my fragrances. I can be if I feel like the perfume isn't as loud as I would have liked it to be, as opposed to, as far as the fragrance, like Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense, smells amazing, but you do not have to be heavy-handed with that fragrance. It definitely would be super overpowering and just in your face. So yes, there are certain ones where you should be heavy-handed with, and there are certain ones that you should kind of, you know, be a little bit sparse-handed with. So now I am going to show you guys, I'm going to demonstrate this with my Burberry Her. Now this is going to be a fragrance that you definitely would need to be a little bit more heavy-handed, because it's pretty. It's definitely a pretty scent, but it's also fair. Like, it's light, but it's a beautiful scent. So, oh, another thing that I do, you guys, I definitely try to match my perfumes with my outfit. So it's just a weird thing that I do. Comment down below if you do that as well. But with me, I just have to match it with how I'm feeling for the day, and, you know, my mood and my aesthetics as well. So Burberry Her, I'm feeling kind of, you know, sweet. I'm feeling kind of sweet today. So I chose this one. So Burberry Her is such a soft, decadent fragrance, and it brightens up your day. It smells so good. So how I apply it, I always start here first on my neck. So I spray here, and then what I do is I get behind my neck, like towards the back, and I spray, whoop, I spray here, and then I get the other side. I gotta get the other side, excuse me. So then I go here, and then I'm telling you, I have to be heavy-handed with this. So, and then I get the very back there. Then I move on to my wrist, and I just spray here, 2 sprays, 2 pumps here. And I don't rub, I pat. I pat like that. Pat. So I don't rub. I don't do that. I just pat. Okay. Now that's all I do for my skin as far as applying it to my skin. What I do for my clothing, I spray down. So spray here, spray here, spray here, and then I spray down. Okay, so that's what I do for the front. Now for the back, how many sprays was that? I think that was a little over 10 so far. So for the back, this is what I do. I spray my back there, and then my back there. Okay, and then my final spray is my actual back area, which is gonna be, so yeah, that's essentially all I do. And that's if I want to be extremely heavy-handed. So that's what I do. If I'm wearing a skirt, if I'm wearing something that kind of shows some leg action, I'll go ahead and apply it to like my ankle area, because you know, heat rises, so smell kind of rises as well. And I just like that lingering effect. I really love the lingering effect. So again, I'm using the Burberry Her, which looks like this. And you guys, it smells amazing. I do just one quick 4 sprays down. 1, 2, 3, 4 down. That's it. That's it. That's all I do. I hope that definitely was somewhat informative for you. If you wanted to know how other people spray their perfume, I'm definitely, again, heavy-handed with certain fragrances, but there are some where I just spray up here, right here, and then just do 2 sprays on my body or on my clothing, and that's it. I hope that helped some of you guys if you had some reluctancy on how to spray perfumes and you wanted to have more so of a lasting effect if you do have a lighter smelling fragrance. So I certainly do hope this helped. So again, you guys, if you haven't done so, I would really appreciate it if you would click my subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. I love you guys. Jesus loves you, of course. Get to know him, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye.